Okay, here I am, Kosho 619, and we're here again with the this is the Fusion 180 Smart. We just got it yesterday, and this is going to be the second flight. Be sure to watch my unboxing video. You will see that all I do is bind and fly. So here we go. Just flight number 2, trying to get used to it. This time I'm wearing sunglasses. So last time I wasn't. It was a little glary. I'm just going to go straight into 100%. Like 100% throttle, might as well. Don't hit the rocks. Whoa. So it's got a pretty slow spool up. I'll make it over here to the bushes. Looks like we're there now. Kind of hard to see today. Do some funnels or some hurricanes. The tail holds really good. Mini smack. Boy, it flies really good. Making sure that guy wasn't robbing me, man. I don't know what that was about. Okay, I better cut this film. People are pulling in. Anyway, 180 Fusion Smart. I really like it. Thank you.